For this question, the third question, I was given a function f at x equals negative 3x squared minus 5 and the point negative 4, negative 5. And I'm tasked to find all tangents of this function that pass through this point. Now first I need to know the first derivative of this, which is negative 6, using power rule, and because that is negative 6x is equal to the slope. And since I don't have any x values, I need to find the x values first before I can start solving for lines of tangent. And another way to find the slope is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, but I need 2 points for that. And so I have this point, negative 4, negative 5. Then we also have this point, x, negative 3x squared minus 5, which is true because for any x value, the y value will equal that. Now, when solving for x, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I solve for one type of slope, which is negative 6x, and then I have y2 and x2, negative 3x squared minus 5 and x, and a y1 and an x1, negative 5, negative 4. Now I simplify, and then bring it over, simplify, bring it all over to one side. That's a quadratic function, and I factor out 3x, leaving x plus 8 times 3x, and so that leaves x is equal to 0 and x is equal to negative 8. I now have two different x values, and now with an x value and a derivative, I can solve for tangents. So first I go with the x equals 0. So I find the derivative at x equals 0, which is 0. Then I find the y value at x equals 0. Substitute in 0. That leaves negative 5. Now with y equals mx plus b, substitute in y, m, and x. 0, 0, and negative 5. B equals negative 5. Y equals 0x minus 5. 0 is the slope, and 0 times anything is 0. So the line for 0 is y equals negative 5. Now I have to find the slope at negative 8. I sub it into the first derivative equation right here, and that equals 48, negative 6 times negative 8. And now I have the slope. Now I need to get the y value at negative 8. So I substitute it into the original equation and simplify that, which gives me negative 197. Now I have 3 variables. I can solve for the fourth one. Substitute y, m, and x. Negative 197, 48, and negative 8. I simplify, move it all to one side, isolating b, and that leaves 187. So now I know the slope of 48 and b is 187, so this is the line equation. The two line equations together, y equals negative 5, y equals 48x plus 187. Then, if you look at Desmos, you can see that is a function there. And the first tangent line goes right at the 0 there, and the second tangent line, and that point right there, negative 4, negative 5.